Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to take up the FLYFANS 64mm Baltic Bees. Gonna have a little bit of fun with her. Absolutely fabulous flying plane. I got a clear coat and a KM model afterburner inside there. All right.
Motor is on. Be careful.
All right, put the hat cam back on. Sorry, Mama had to work, so got to put up with me and film with my cell phone on my forehead. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Wind is kind of out of the west, but cross breeze now. So basically east, west, well, that's west, that's where the sun is, and the wind is that way. So you can see my flags. So that's okay. We can deal with that. We can deal with it. You must be able to adapt. All right, here we go. That's a good flying jet right there. Beautiful day out here. Probably one of the best values in the RC world right now as far as jets go. $209, you get suspension gear, retracts, flaps, a 6S jet, lights. Sounds great. Barra aerobatic. Just an all-around great flying jet.
Retracts deployed.
Bring by dirty. Yeah, gears down. Well, I wasn't completely dirty. I was partially dirty. I didn't have the flaps down.
Landing flaps.
Wind has slowed down enough now where I can use my landing flaps.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Braking. Cruise mode. Takeoff flaps.
You know what we might do? A lot of people are saying, why don't you try landing with takeoff flaps? Well, we'll do that this time.
Flaps are up.
See if that doesn't help a little bit. That was kind of a sloppy approach there. All right. We're gonna leave the gear up, or leave the gear down, sorry. We'll try that. Take that landing now with takeoff flaps, just to see. Yeah, I think we'll be better off no flap landing. Got just enough of a wind to slow her down. I tell you, dealing with cross breeze landing with jets is not my forte.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, let's do a pass. One flyby here. All right, put my gear down there. I know I'm a long ways out. Control my sync rate with my throttle. And that was much better.
Braking. 30 seconds. Load.
All right. You know what? We'll push it for one more. One more.
20 seconds.
I can actually see that afterburner all the way out there. All right, get lined up the runway there. Control my sync rate with my throttle.
Red. Land the plane now.
Perfect.
Braking. Cruise mode.
All right, absolutely perfect that time. All righty. Pause right there, we'll take it back to the bench, we'll talk about it. All right, real quick, just look at that. Is that not a beautiful plane? I mean, that sucker is gorgeous. Absolutely a gorgeous plane. Beautiful plane. Love the afterburner. Has a great sound to it. The gear is very quick. Okay, talk about our flap settings real quick. The flap settings for flaps up are 100%, no mix. For takeoff, 50% with a 5% down elevator. And then landing are 0% with a 15% down elevator. There you go. Rates that I flew in. Aileron, elevator are both 100% throws, 30% expo. There's aileron, elevator. And the rudder is 100% throws with 50% expo to help soften out that takeoff. So, well, there you go, folks. That is the L39 by from Banana Hobbies, a distributor. At FLYFANS, the manufacturer, we're 13 seconds over on a 4-minute timer. Got the KM model afterburner in there. A KM model, thank you for the afterburners. Got an XT60 is what the plane is equipped with. Okay. I got to hold that balance lead. Okay. 35%. So 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes on a 2700 6S is perfect. Let me show you where I've got, actually it's 2700. That's where I've got the 2700 right there, all the way back. She balances just fine there. To show you CG, I don't have her plugged in now. You know, let me plug her back in so I can show get the gear up and down for you. Okay. CG with the gear down. You look for that line of tape. Just put your fingers at the end of that tape there. And that's where she CGs perfectly, right there. Put the gear up. Same thing. Perfectly, right there. So, I'm happy with that. I don't really have a landmark on the top. If you want to check it this way, I guess you just kind of have to eyeball it, but it's not bad. Just a great value for a plane. I mean, $209, you get flaps, you got suspension gear, you got retracts, you got lights, and it's a 6S jet. So, I mean, and a good looking one that. The one thing I've done is given her the afterburner and a polyacrylic clear coat. Other than that, that's all I've done. Great flying plane. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends. And then Baltic Bees from FLYFANS Manufacturer and Banana Hobbies, a distributor. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye, y'all.